MHM Food Studio. Today's dish we will be making minestrone soup. It's from Italy and it's a classic dish. Very light with lots of vegetables and lots of love. We take this soup as everyday meal as well, and if you consume it every day, good amount of vitamins inside the food to your body. So let's go inside the kitchen and get our minestrone soup ready. Thank you. So here we are into the kitchen. So we'll be making minestrone soup with basil pesto. So the ingredients that we are going to use are diced onion, diced carrot, diced zucchini yellow and green zucchini. As for our pesto on top, the Parmesan cheese, the basil, diced tomato, cauliflower florets, broccoli florets and the macaroni pasta. To start with, we'll be using olive oil into the pan. Make sure there is not too much of oil, as because too much of oil will make the soup oily. We'll turn on the heat. So as our oil gets heated up, we will show you the vegetable stock that we have prepared. It's best you use vegetable stock for the soup that will make the soup aromatic. So once the oil is heated up, add a bit of garlic. No need of browning it, just saute a bit. We'll add some onions. Make sure all the dices of the vegetables are of same size, or else the soup would not look good. In minestrone, we'll be adding a pinch of salt after each and every vegetable. That is the way the Italians do it. Once your onion is translucent, as you can see, you can add in your carrots. You can see the cuts of the vegetables are of same size. Keep it on low flame, or else your vegetables and the garlic will tend to get a brown color. Again, a pinch of salt. So once the carrot is a bit sauteed, you'll add in your cauliflower. Mind me saying, you can use beans, haricot beans, the other green beans, French beans. You can use any kind of dried beans as well, but you have to soak it, then only use it, or boil it, then you can put it inside. You'll put the vegetables according to their cooking time, as in carrot takes much longer time, so carrot goes first. Cauliflower takes less time, so cauliflower goes next. You can use any kind of vegetables, any name vegetables, just you have to take care of the cooking time. So now you can add in your tomato as well. A pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. After the sauteing is done, you can see it is getting cooked, but it will not change its color. We will add the vegetable stock. So as we add in the stock, we will let it simmer. So once the vegetables is almost cooked, as it's hard vegetables, it needs to get cooked, so almost cooked. So we will either put in raw pasta, or as I am using a parboiled ones. So this starch will give a hint of body to the soup, and that is more than enough for minestrone soup. So as and when you stir in, when you see your vegetables are almost cooked, add the green and yellow zucchini. Why are we adding at the last moment? Because this takes only 1 minute to cook, even broccoli florets. pinch of salt to season, a pinch of black pepper or white pepper if you want, and a pinch of sugar. Sugar is optional, but sugar and salt balances the taste the best. So a minute of boil is done. So we will add in our shredded basil leaves, a pinch of parmesan, and a bit of pesto. Now we can switch off the flame and stir it. Once again, taste your salt and sugar, then only add your pesto. Once pesto is inside, do not add any kind of heat, do not add any kind of salt. It will give a very light color of greenish texture. If you need a more, you can add. You can see a nice greenish color. That's enough. So let's plate our soup. Looks yummy, and you can see it's thin, but it has a hint of a body in it, which comes from the starch, macaroni, pasta. So we will plate the veggies and the pasta at the bottom first, and the soup from top. So we can see the light green color, and the soup looks magnificent. So for garnish, we'll be shredding some basil leaves, very fine. Garnish on top of the soup. Droplets of basil pesto, as you can see. Not too much, but only pesto. Now you can put some olive oil or the pesto oil on top for garnish. Now, last but not the least, a hint of Parmesan cheese. Enjoy. Thank you.